Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other n***s bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So it's a bit sketchy here, you know, you have lots of people that will rob you and thing, you know, pickpockets and all that, so the two persons wander so far. Yeah man, so we have to keep an eye out for that. And all these sketchy people, like that guy was just trying to just talk to us, trying to convince us to take us around and all that. Nah, that wasn't gonna happen. Bring him over. Quite cheap. How much did he say? $2. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're on the bus now. As you can see, we're going to the markets and yeah, show you guys what Fiji markets have to offer, and let's do it.
We're at the market, guys. What's it mean?
Possibly Nadi markets down there, probably. Let's have a look.
Island, wait. Slow down. Go on. Pinaka. Stay right here. Wait on mom. Woo, bus ride. Hey guys, local bus. So now we're going to the market over here. Step up. Yeah. It's a Sunday, so I don't know if it's gonna be as busy as probably every day. You know, Sunday lots of people go to church, so let's see how Hola. Focus, yeah. And there you have courts, guys. So you see I wasn't lying, they actually have courts here in Fiji, so that's really interesting. And they have Digicel.
Welcome guys, this is the market.
Yeah, this is the market. It's a Sunday. It looks really good. Oh, lots of cassava, coconut, just that. Hola. Hola. We need a bag. They must sell bags.
You have bag?
Oh, look at all the. Yeah, look at all the pears. These are big like the ones in China.
Yeah,
Are they ripe?
We get one?
Yeah,
Some?
need a ripe one.
Ah, nice. You choose it because you're
Yeah.
good here. Let me get the camera. Island, stay with mum.
You have ripe one?
They got taro.
Okay.
This yam white or yellow yam?
Which one?
Yam? Oh, cassava.
How much for one?
There, $2.
Oh, yeah, $2.
Is that right? Yeah. You want?
Probably plantain.
Island, my shorts. Stop doing that. Stop doing that.
Island? Hey,
He's rolling up my shorts.
stop.
Island boy, stop. Yeah, guys, Island keeps playing with my shorts. Sorry, the footage is a little bit funny.
Island, behave yourself. Oh, look at those ones over there. You see those ones? Those ones are very nice too, those pear. Should have probably got that one.
Chili.
But we're still here for a couple of days. We could grab another
Yeah,
one.
okra. We're gonna get okra on that too, no?
Yeah. Wow. No. What's that one?
Limes.
Thank you. Pinaka. Yeah, thank you. Alright, so thank you, you too. Oh yeah. Yeah, chili.
Yeah.
It is.
How much that?
Not many. We don't need many. Probably like just a. Oh, they sell the whole thing. Okay. Beautiful.
How much is that one?
Thank you. Thank you. Nice banana. It's a big market. Yeah, lots of coconut. Look at all the okras.
Island.
Stay here. Island.
Come here now. Listen to me. Stay with me. You understand? Stay with mum. Okay. You want to get okra here or we just walk around? We come back.
Yeah. What is this one? You know this one, babe?
Lipa.
Oh, that's a ginger. Yeah.
Banana.
Yeah, good to get some banana too.
Lady finger, Cassava, yam.
Yeah. See the market. It's pretty much most of the same thing they have. No, that's I think that's cocoa or some one of them. Looks like cocoa. Yeah, this is dasheen, I think. Yeah, dasheen. Yeah.
Alan.
Hola.
Alan, which way you going? Hola.
We got some beans here. Oh, that must be the pumpkin. Hola. Oh, nice potato. No thanks.
Fire?
Yeah.
One plantain?
Yeah. These are the big ones we saw, babe, from the island. These are the big ones you saw from the
You
island.
want to grab them?
Yeah. Probably grab a bit like half ripe. Those are nice. Yeah, plantain. How much?
Yeah, the $5.
$5?
Yeah, the $10.
Okay. These ones look a bit. Probably get these ones. I like them like half ripe.
It's a half right.
Yeah.
One.
Huh?
Yeah, $10.
$10. No, the other one. That one?
Yeah, $10.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one at
Oh.
the back. Yep.
Which one? What did you say? $5? Oh, these $5. These 10. Okay. Yeah. All right, grab them. Yeah.
Ah, they have a $7 Fijian one.
Oh.
Alan, if you don't stop, I'm going to smack you. Stop.
$7 Fiji.
Hey? Yeah, I know. I've never seen it before.
Oh, it has
I
like
keep riddling up my shorts and it's
island.
true.
They have like kids on it.
Alan's stressing me out already, guys.
Yeah. Oh. Thank you. That's thank you.
Naka?
Oh, they have guava there.
You want
Naka.
guava? You take some?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah. Do we need cucumber? Probably grab cucumber.
Oh yeah, Alan, come here.
Come.
Oh yeah, cucumber.
Yeah.
2, 3? That one.
Is that the tomato? Yes. That's tomato in that thing, right?
Did I give you the 7 or I think I just lost it?
You just had it. I. Thank you. Should have like a big bag to put everything in.
Naka?
Naka. Thank you. What about ripe banana? We need get some ripe banana.
Yeah, we will, but I just want to see this garlic.
Oh, okay.
Shit, man, I should have got a bag though.
Yeah, I thought they would have
Just go
said
buy a bag. Stand here with Alan, I'll go buy a bag at the shopping, or we go together.
we go together. Thought they would have said like big bag.
Yeah, then that's
They just-
they closed.
Oh yeah, that's would be like the bigger market. Step up, Island. Is that orange?
Alan,
Stay here.
one bag of onion, how much? $5. Okay, you can grab one. And your garlic?
Pack is $5. One is
Just 3 packs. Oh, or 2, or just one.
Onion?
Oh no, we just one.
Taxi?
Yeah, just one.
Well, no thanks.
What did he ask me for?
Taxi. That's the supermarket right there. Everything is available here. Get your food products and thing. It's like a hardware over there.
Mango. You want to get apple?
it's like $1. The orange is $6. $6 but 5 piece.
For 5. All of the whole thing. Okay, yeah, we get 2 then. How much? Yes? 11?
Yeah.
Buy a bag here. And then
The supermarket.
where can I get some fresh fish?
Right in the corner, that side.
They have fish here. Fish on the corner. Walk with mommy. Bula. Bula. Hey. Bula. Oh, pretty earrings, Naman. Wow, lovely. Cool. Nice. We're gonna cross the road, Naman, because the fish shop is up here. Island, come, jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. Yeah. Hey, that looks like star apple.
Yeah, almost.
Look like it. Around the corner, Naman, here. Hey, babes.
Hey, baby.
Hi, Island.
2 big bag here of luggage.
Yes.
What did you grab?
Lamb.
Lamb.
And they chop it up in pieces for you and everything, so you just have to boil it, cook it well,
Oh, nice.
and that is it.
Nice.
And
So
mackerel,
nice.
tomato.
Alright.
That is it. Let's go. Get out of here.
Yeah, we have to go and get a taxi, you know. One that has meter anyway. So that.
So we've just done a bit of shopping, guys. Island, that really would have hurt your arm. Oh God, walking around with Island the camera is different. Anyways, guys, you want to get okra from here? What's that vegetable there? I wonder too. Huh? Okay, what is this? Oh, like a vegetable you fry up, something like that? Oh, okay. Yeah? All right. Huh? All right, give me a second, Island. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm just going to get some okra. Yeah.
How many dear?
Just one, yeah. Naka. All right, let's go.
Like some nice pine there.
You want pine too? Yeah. All right, come on, guys. Let's go. Pineapple. It's fine. Island, yeah, yeah. How much for one?
That one $5, this one $8.
We get the $8 one. Island. Island, where is it? Come here.
Come on, sir.
Oh, it's so scary to come shopping with Island, isn't it? It's like,
Don't step in there.
Take
Don't
out?
step
no,
in
no, it's all right. Leave it. Yeah, one go. It's fine. Oh, how much?
$8.
For the whole bag?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's a lot. Oh, that's like a pineapple a day. Okay, Vanaka. Wow. Are you going to be alright, Karen? How much? The whole thing. Wow. Jeez. Vanaka, thank you. Alright, let's go, Naman. Wow, look guys, they got so many good things here. That lady better not be lying, otherwise they're going to be eating rice and nothing. Bula! Oh, she said that. Didn't she say around the corner? Hi, Bula. Where's the fish shop?
Fish up. Oh, they were.
Wow, really? Oh.
What time you open? What time you open? Open tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow they will open tomorrow.
What time?
7 a.m.
7 a.m. Okay. Alright, it will be.
That sucks. What are we going to eat?
Gonna have to find something else.
At the supermarket? Yeah. Like what? No one curry.
Let's see what we can get.
Fish shop's closed, guys.
Yeah, let's see what we can get.
You can see my face. Not happy. Anyways. Yeah. Oh well. They either want to make money or they don't want to make money. They obviously don't want to make money. Alright, come on. Let's go, Island. I don't really want to step here. It stinks.
Wait a minute. Thought that was a shortcut to go back, but the market. You have to hold them, babe. Don't make them stop.
Alright, guys. We're going to cut this one for now.
Where you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Oh.
My wife is from Argentina.
Oh.
Yeah. We're living in Australia.
Oh. First time been here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very first time.
So renting in the apartment?
Yes.
Oh, good. How many days? That's good.
You recommend any good restaurant for eat during the week here?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Good local food?
One in front there, I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay.
In Fiji, there is a lot of place to look around, you know.
Yeah.
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 A lot of place. That we got flower garden, hot spring, mud pool. We got beach.
Yeah, the mud pool. I want to ask, how far is the mud pool from here?
We'll take.
Is that going towards Suva?
No, going on to this Bohai is here. That's a restaurant on top here.
Ah,
Okay.
This one, yeah. See the Bohai.
The
road.
seafood.
The road is there, yeah.
Oh.
The Bohai.
Nice seafood?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta try. We want to try good seafood in Nadi.
Yeah, yeah. That's good one. That's a good one, yeah.
Yeah. We went to Nana's Indian restaurant.
Oh,
last
yeah,
time.
yeah. Okay.
That was good too. Nice curry, very nice. But he said he didn't have goat, so we said we
He
come
had
back
lamb.
and try the goat curry.
Yeah.
Because since we've been here, goat curry now. We haven't
But
tried.
one restaurant in town, they are selling goat curry.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah. You can have your dinner over there, but 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I think they will close.
Oh, yeah.
But you can have your lunch over there, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. You can go to mud pool. We got second largest city in Fiji. Capital is a Suva.
Suva, yeah.
Yeah.
The other one here in Letoka.
Latoka.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, they said that. They
Ah.
said Latoka is the next one.
Yeah, next one, yeah. And we got Dinrao Island, got look around, you know, plenty of
Yeah, I went to Denrao.
Oh, you went to
there,
Dinrao?
yeah.
Oh, so how many days left you will be going back?
We stayed in the islands. We went to Naboa Lodge
You'll take the boat from to the
boat,
Dinrao. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
and we stayed there 5 days and then we went to homestay. We stayed with one Fiji family.
Okay.
Yeah, at Wailalei Island. Beautiful. You're lucky. You live in a beautiful place.
Yeah. So when you gonna go back?
Friday.
Oh, this Friday.
Yeah, this
Next week Friday.
Yes.
Oh, good. Oh yeah, you got plenty of times to look around, you know.
Yeah.
Take
Yes.
a look around.
Yeah. We want to go to the mud pool. Should be good.
Yeah.
You born in Fiji?
Yeah, I born in Fiji. I'm staying here for all my life.
And
Okay.
your parents come from like India?
No,
Descendant?
my grandfather came from India. I didn't see him. My
Okay.
grandfather came from India.
Okay.
As soon as we born, our grandfather one died, you know. So we don't know which part of India my grandfather came from. We don't know,
Okay.
We heard one taxi driver, he said,
Yeah.
what happened is because my husband's from Jamaica, in Jamaica they have a lot of Indians, they live there. So when the boat was coming, they drop off Indians here in Fiji.
In Fiji, yeah.
And
Some in
drop off
Jamaica.
Jamaica and around the islands, like Trinidad and Tobago. They too are Indian. They eat roti and rice.
True, yeah.
Lots of curry. Yeah. So you can tell the influence is here. Same as in the Caribbean. Yeah.
That was they do it, they will come in over here in Fiji. When we are, my father, it was not alive. And when he was, my grandparents came from there.
Okay.
My father was maybe a small boy or something like that.
But you're lucky, very lucky you are.
Yeah,
You live in a nice island.
very good country. Our poor was staying, everybody was staying together, no problem.
Yes, that's good.
You have kids and
Yeah, I got a kids. I got 4 kids. They all get married.
oh wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
At the moment, my wife she's in Australia for visit.
Australia? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
she went to Cairns.
To Cairns? Oh,
Yeah.
lovely.
Coming back tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
that's good. Must
Which
be happy.
apartment you going to? This one?
Yeah, up
Yeah.
here. Yeah, Cairns is nice.
Nice, yeah. She's got brother and sister over there.
Living
Okay.
there, yeah.
This one, triple story?
Yes.
Yes, this one.
This one.
Then
Just here.
yeah.
So guys, we're just chilling at home now after going shopping, eating pineapple. This is our breakfast and lunch, basically. And what? This is it. That's a wrap for the day. On to more adventures tomorrow. I look like I just woke up out of bed.